If you've been thinking about starting or scaling a social media marketing agency in 2025, then this is your guide to making it happen with GoHighLevel. The world of digital marketing has shifted. Clients now expect fast results, streamlined communication, and strategies that don't just look good but actually deliver. And that's where GoHighLevel steps in. It's more than just software. It's a full operating system for agencies, giving you everything you need in one place to grow and scale without juggling 10 different subscriptions. When you're starting your SMMA, the very first thing to get clear on is who you're serving. Every successful agency begins with a target audience. Are you helping local businesses like gyms and dentists? Are you targeting e-commerce brands that need Facebook ads? Once you define your audience, you can drill down into your niche. This focus not only makes you easier to market, but it positions you as an expert instead of just another generalist. With that niche nailed down, you'll need your unique selling proposition, the thing that makes your agency stand out from the dozens of others out there. Maybe it's a unique approach to lead generation, maybe it's pricing, maybe it's a content style, but it has to be clear and memorable. Once your strategy foundation is set, it's time to bring GoHighLevel into the picture. Signing up is simple. Just create your account, confirm your details, and you're inside the dashboard. This dashboard is where your entire agency will live. Your clients, your campaigns, your workflows. You can customize it, integrate with your favorite tools like Zapier or Google Sheets, and even connect analytics dashboards that pull in everything you need. From here, you're not just managing tasks, you're building an ecosystem that works even when you're not at your desk. Every agency needs a digital home base, and GoHighLevel makes building one straightforward. Inside the platform, you can create websites with pre-built templates specifically for agencies, or design from scratch if you want full creative control. Adding a sales funnel is just as easy, and that funnel becomes your engine for generating and converting leads. Whether you're running ads for your agency or for clients, the same system works to capture prospects and guide them toward a sale. One of the most powerful tools inside GoHighLevel is snapshots. Imagine importing an entire ready-to-go agency system, websites, funnels, automations, even follow-up campaigns, with just one click. That's what snapshots do. They allow you to either start from a proven structure without reinventing the wheel, or to instantly give a client their own branded account. No more recreating the same workflows over and over. It's a massive time saver. And for agencies, time saved is money earned. Content is the lifeblood of digital marketing, and GoHighLevel's Content AI is a game changer here. Instead of outsourcing endless blog posts or scrambling to come up with social media captions, you can generate high quality, AI-powered content right inside your dashboard. This not only makes you faster, but it also opens up new revenue streams. You can resell content creation as a service without adding more staff. It's like having a copywriting assistant working around the clock. Now comes the business side, your service offerings and pricing. Once you know your client's pain points, you can decide if you'll focus on managing social media, running ads, creating content, or optimizing search rankings. Then it's about pricing smart. Too low and you undervalue your work. Too high and you scare off new clients. The sweet spot comes from balancing competitive market research with your time investment and the value you provide. GoHighLevel makes packaging services easier because everything from reporting to delivery is streamlined. When it comes to choosing a plan, GoHighLevel offers packages tailored for agencies. The Agency Unlimited or Pro SaaS plan is where most serious agencies land because it gives you unlimited sub-accounts for your clients and even the ability to resell the software under your brand. That means you're not just running an agency, you're also running a SaaS business on the side, which can be a powerful additional income stream. As your SMMA grows, scaling becomes the name of the game. GoHighLevel helps you automate client onboarding with forms and workflows, schedule follow-up calls, and even integrate with thousands of third-party apps through Zapier. This cuts down on repetitive work and ensures no lead or client ever slips through the cracks. On top of that, the reporting dashboard gives you real-time insights into what's working, from email open rates to conversion metrics, so you can make smarter decisions for your clients and your own agency. So if you're ready to stop piecing together 5 different tools and finally run your agency on one powerful platform, give GoHighLevel a try. Thanks for watching.